In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to record more than 30 seconds on your Nintendo Switch. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. You might want to record more than 30 seconds on your Nintendo Switch to capture longer gameplay highlights or create detailed tutorials and walkthroughs to share with others. To record gameplay from your Nintendo Switch using OBS Studio, the process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. Begin by opening your PC and move on to your Windows system and search for OBS Studio by clicking on the Start menu or typing the app name in the search bar. When the OBS Studio application appears, click to open it. After launching the app, look for the Sources tab, which is typically located at the bottom of the interface. Within this tab, you will find a ++ sign. Clicking on it will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Video Capture Device. At this point, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to create a new video capture device. You can either stick with the default name or input a new name that better suits your preference. Once you've done this, click OK to activate the video capture device. The device will now begin capturing video. With OBS Studio ready, pick up your Nintendo Switch controller and start playing any game. For instance, I began playing Hogwarts Legacy, and the gameplay was recorded seamlessly. The recording can continue for as long as you like, far beyond the 30-second limit imposed by the Nintendo Switch's built-in capture system. This method ensures that your gameplay is recorded with high quality and without interruption. By following these steps, you can effectively record and save your Nintendo Switch gameplay for future use. And where will this be saved? You can find it under the file location where all the raw video files from your Nintendo Switch are saved. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.